తెలుగు పిహెచ్డి పట్టభద్రుడై తెలుగు సంఘంలో అధ్యక్షుడై మనందరికీ నాయకుడై రెండవ ప్రపంచ తెలుగు మహాసభల సారథి అయి మన అందరి హృదయాలలో గత 100 సంవత్సరం ముఖ్య తెలుగు నాయకుడుగా స్థిరంగా నిలిచిపోయాడు. ఈ కారణ జన్ముడు, ఈ అందాల చంద్రుడు, చంద్రయ్య సృష్టించిన ఈ గొప్ప నాయకుడు, మనము ప్రియముతో పిలిచే డాక్టర్ ఏసి అప్పారావు గారని ఈ దైవపుత్రుడు. అందరూ నిల్చొని అతని హర్షోద్వానాలు 10 కాలాల సుఖం శాంతితో జీవించాలని దేవుణ్ణి ప్రార్థిద్దాం.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to invite Dr. Kanta Rao to present a shawl to our chief guest. Can we have you, please, Dr. Kanta Rao? A big round of applause, please, once again. We'd like to invite the organizing chairman, Sri Aparna Naidu, to actually garland the chief guest. Great appreciation to a great leader. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. Welcome Dr. A.C. Apparar to say a word or two. Can we have you, sir?
Before I make this small comment of mine, please let me say something that came to my mind when I listened to the Sangeetam song. I speak in English for a while. A friend of mine by the name of Bairoji Narayanan, who used to work with Radio Malaysia, TV Malaysia, his good friend was Chitramya. He always used to tell me that why don't your association celebrate Tyagaraja's annual festival? At that time, I would tell him, not many of our people know Sangeetam. Tyagaraja is famous for his Sangeetam, Kirtanas. But after listening to this lovely song just now, and the music played, I think we can also celebrate Tyagaraja's Aradhana. As you know, every year, 10 days is spent in, I think, Tiruvayur, where they celebrate Tyagaraja's or Tyagaya's Aradhana, 10 days, and hundreds of musicians go and play at that festival. Maybe we can start that next year after this. Yeah, that'll be a very good idea. Thank you. Dr. Sahadevan, Dr. Krishnamurthy, Dr. Prakash Rao, Professor Dr. Siva Channa, Dr. Kanta Rao, the chief sponsor of this function. I also like to add, I know he's not here, but if I may, I'd like to also acknowledge Dr. Achya Kumar. I wish he was here. Sri Aparna, Sabha Organizing Chairman, committee members, Sabhalo Parkonami Adarki, na Vandanamlu.